grammar book? Okay. To solve lesson, did we solve lesson 4 together, girls?
No, the last lesson we didn't.
Last lesson is 5. Other problems in agreement. Page 198. Please, girls, 198. Did we solve it?
No, Miss, I didn't think we saw.
Okay, start. Yeah. Open your book. I'll share.
Miss, there's this part of the lesson that talks about the pennies and the dollars and these things.
Ah, yes, yes. You're right. I'll open the picture now.
Teacher,
Yes, dear.
we didn't solve 10.4.
What? What?
We didn't solve 10.4.
194?
195.
Okay, we'll solve it now. But let's share for you this. Okay. Here, girls, the money or percentage? Money, girls?
Yes, the one with pennies and these things.
Yes. Money, okay, and measurement and weight. When the amount, girls, is 1 unit, when amount is 1 unit, it's singular. How? When I say 2 weeks off is not enough for me. 2 weeks off is not enough for me. It's not enough. Okay? $3 a day is not enough. But when I say I found $3 scattered on the street, or the $3 were scattered on the street. So when it is 1 unit, singular. When it's divided, plural. It is like collective now. Okay?
Yes.
This is
Yes.
it. So this picture I uploaded for you on Classera. This is very important. It summarized all the rules for you. Okay? Are you with me? So here in lesson 5, we took the collective noun when they are in one group. They are it's singular. When they are divided, plural. And then we took some words that they are always here on page 197, girls. Words end with S, but they are always singular. Like what? Like physics, statistics, news. News is always singular. And words that are always plural, nouns that are always plural, like pants, shorts, eyeglasses, binoculares. Okay? And title of a work, as when I say this is a book. The title is always singular. Title of a book, title of a novel, title of a movie. No matter what is the title, it is always singular. When I want money as 1 unit, singular. When I use money scattered, plural. Grade 10.
Yes,
Yes, miss.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Yes.
Then we took the last part, singular verb, when I use many a, when I use every, and each, when they come before a compound subject. When I found compound subject, and before it many a, it's in your book, not in the slide. Every, each, so I use a singular verb. Again, many a, every, each. I use singular. Many a, every, each. I use singular verb before a compound subject. So here, teacher, no, I have a boy and a girl. Here, a boy and a girl. Okay, so let me write it for you better in a slide.
Miss,
Yes.
may you later on upload the answer key for the worksheets you had uploaded?
Okay.
And also the answer key for the synonyms and antonyms for the vocab.
Yes, the answer sheets for what I upload, I don't have access to it anymore, dear. That's the problem that I stopped. Remember I told you before.
Yeah, I know, but how can we make sure from our answers if the test is also...
If you find anything that you doubt, please WhatsApp me and I will reply you immediately.
But Miss, do you
Okay.
have the answers in your book?
I have for the book, but for the homework on Classera, I don't have.
Okay, forget the worksheets. I want can you like send us the picture for the vocab, synonyms, and antonyms? Because they are the most important ones.
Okay. Boy and girl, girls. Boy and girl. Do you see my PowerPoint?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Boy and girl. It should be are. Or noise, for example. But he says to me, if you put many, okay, or every, or each, okay, or will be is. Is. This is it. This is it. Do you see it? Many, every, each, before a compound noun will take is. Okay? So this is the only rule which is not in the paper. So please, you have to study also from the 2 PowerPoints I uploaded for you. Are you with me, girls?
Yes.
And study also from your book. If you find any question, you still have 3 days. You can WhatsApp me anytime. I will upload for you the answers for vocabulary and answers for the book. Okay? So we finished the whole chapter. Let's now, what do we want? Politics, girls, for example, if it's a subject, it's singular. But if I talk about the politics as the laws, it's a plural. So anything I talk about it as one unit is singular. Okay, so let's now go back to the picture. Do you see it, girls? Here. Let's start. Where did we stop solving? We solved where did we stop, girls? 194? We solved 194, I think.
Yeah, we solved 194. We have
Okay.
195.
Go to 195. Exercise 5. Okay. Asma, are you here, ya Asma? Asma? Bilqis? Asma? بلقيس. بيان. بثينة.
Yes, miss.
Yes, Buthaina. Yes, dear. Number 1 in 194.
Miss 194 or 195?
195, sorry.
Okay. Should I read the question or say the answer?
Yes, read it, please.
Okay. Weather and climate, there are two terms that are
Yes,
frequently
say the answer
confused.
while you read.
Okay, weather and climate are two terms that are frequently
Excellent.
confused.
Excellent, because they are combined by and. Okay, thank you. Buthaina. Dalia?
Welcome.
Dareen? Dalia, Dareen?
Yes.
Dalia,
Yes,
number 2.
neither Sally nor her parents confess the two terms. Confuse the two
Confused.
terms.
Look at the slide at the power at the computer. Two subjects joined by or nor or either.
Reason.
Confuses. But here, which rule we took?
The verb.
Which verb? Which
That
agrees with which subject? يعني which subject it takes?
nor.
No, I was tracking. Listen, dear. I will share it again. Wait, I was trapping you. يعني. Here. Look at this. Two nouns joined by or nor. What do we take? We take what? The noun what? Which noun? Process. We take the one closer to the verb. So which one we take? Confuse or confuses? What is more? What is near to confuse? Parents or Sally?
Parents.
So we'll take plural or singular?
Plural.
Yes, plural. So you were right, but I just wanted to know how did you know the answer. Thank you, dear. Dareen. Dareen?
Okay, Miss, can I just ask you, it's confuses, right?
Yes, confuses because confused because her parents is nearer to the verb.
Okay.
3, Dareen?
To some extent, either the average temperature or the amount of rainfall determines climate.
Determines why? To some extent, either the average temperature or the amount. Determine why? Because the closer to the verb is amounts.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, dear. Durra, 4. It is a question, ya Durra, so twist the sentence, make it a statement.
Okay. An isolated instance or uncommon events part of weather or climate. An isolated instance or uncommon events are
Yes, so
part
instance
of weather
or events, okay?
are part
But you have to be aware here, where would be the verb? The verb will be at the beginning, so which one is nearer?
it's
Is, yes.
yes.
Because instance is nearer. Okay, thank you, Durra. Fatima, 5.
Yes, ma'am.
5.
Is it I? I?
Why?
Because here they used and.
Excellent. 6. Ghada?
Polar, temperate, and coastals are all names of climate zones.
Connected by an. Jana? Joanna and Jude, be ready. Jana?
Neither a tropical climate nor a subtropical climate. Typically,
Where are the subjects?
Climate.
Climate and climate. يعني here climate and climate, and they are combined by nor. So has. Excellent. Yes, Joanna. Joanna. Jude.
Yes.
Joanna, you're here, huh? 8. 8, Joanna. Jude.
Yes, miss.
Jude.
In a subtropical climate, are high humidity.
High humidity or showers. Humidity or showers. Which is nearer to the verb?
Humidity.
Humidity. So it is. Excellent, dear. Jumana?
But teacher, here is it a question? So when
Yes.
we flip it, it will become high humidity
yes,
or
when
showers.
Yes, if it comes after showers, it will be or. But because it is before humidity, it is before the singular, so it is nearer to the singular, so it should be singular.
Oh, okay. So we don't like arrange it into a sentence. We
Yes,
see
I arrange it just to understand it.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome, dear. Jumana?
A hot dry summer and a cool wet winter are part of
Excellent. Kadra? Kadra? Joanna. Joanna? Fix your mic, dear. Lana Maher?
Yes, miss. Number 10, right?
Yes.
Neither snowy winters nor dry winters occur there.
Yes, why occur?
Because there are plural verbs.
Yeah, but they are combined by nor. They are combined by nor.
Yes, miss, we have nor.
So I take the closer to verb, and closer to verb is winters. Excellent.
Yes.
Excellent, Lana. Layan Fadl, 11. Layan Fadl. Layan Maghrabi.
Snowfalls or rainy summer sometimes happens
Yes, why happens?
because rainy summer is singular.
Summer.
Yes.
Excellent. Excellent, dear. Lujain, 12.
Is it causes?
Why?
Global warming.
Excellent. Only warming, dear. Global is an adjective. Excellent. Lin Ammar.
Yes, miss.
13.
Greenhouse gases are some other cause changing our climate. Is
What is the closer to the verb? Gases or cause?
gases.
Gases. And gases is singular or plural?
Plural.
So?
Miss?
Yes?
Could you please repeat 11 and 12? I mean 10 and 11.
10 is occur. Why? Because occur is nearer to winters. Happens is nearer to summer.
Summer.
Yes. 12. Lean answered now. It's causes. Okay, because it's or Lean answering. Lean is answering 13. Yes, Lean. What did we say? It is closer to gases. Yes, because it's closer to gases. Excellent, dear. Lilian. Lilian. لين حياني لين نو لين عياد لين عياد لوجين لوجين answered ملك وسيم.
Yes, miss. It's number 14, right?
Yes.
It snows because government is singular.
Excellent, dear, and it's closer to the verb. Excellent. Najwa, 15.
Is because carbon monoxide is.
Yes.
Singular.
Monoxide is singular. Excellent, dear. So we go to now to 198. 198. Natalie.
Yes, miss.
Yes, dear. Natalie, 198, number 1, exercise 8. Is why?
Because it's a singular.
Excellent, dear. This is from the words that they are always singular. Measles is a disease. Okay, now note. Note. 2. Physics is excellent. Noor Bilal.
Yes, miss. Seasons, apples, and oranges is my favorite still life painting.
Excellent. Why?
Because it's one painting.
Excellent, dear. Noor Yusuf.
Yes, miss. Is it demand?
Demand or demands? Which one?
Demands.
Excellent. Why?
Because it came as
Public. Public is a collective noun.
Yeah.
Okay. Demands. Yes, because it's as a whole demands. Excellent, dear Rama. Rima.
Yes,
$5.
$5 is.
Excellent, because it's not one. It's one unit. Sarah.
Yes, miss. These binoculars have.
Have. Excellent. Why?
Because binoculars is always plural.
Excellent.
Are always plural.
Excellent. Zena. Ragad.
Yes, miss.
Yes, Ragad. 7.
Politics is Olivia's major.
Excellent. Excellent, because it's a subject here. Dana Wael. Dana Shaheen. Maya.
Yes, miss.
Yes, Maya. 8. The audience leave or leaves? Leaves, because at the same time. Excellent, dear. Okay. From the beginning, Asma Bulkis, they didn't come. Buthaina. 9.
Yes, miss.
9.
The crowd goes wild after each town touchdown.
Excellent, goes, because it's what? Collective noun. Excellent. Dalia. 10. Dalia. 10.
Yes, miss. The group.
They have won the session, or they are still arguing?
Decides.
Excellent. Excellent, dear. Okay, we go to exercise 9 to fix the mistakes found in the passage.
Decide or decides, number 10?
Sides, because they have one decision.
Okay.
Okay, dear. Dareen, sentence number 1. Where is the mistake in sentence number 1?
R meaning R, it must to be لا.
Yes, R is supposed to be what?
Is.
Excellent, because it's one singular verb, one singular noun. دلوقتي Audubon club. It is one club. So R would be is. Okay. Number 2, Durra.
Yes, miss.
The public is collective noun.
Yes, is it used as one unit?
Yes.
So it's is.
Excellent, dear. Fatima.
Yes, miss.
3, there is no mistake. Go to 4.
Okay. Like he's meeting image process words. Miss, I guess it doesn't have a mistake.
Excellent. It doesn't also have a mistake. Excellent, Fatima. Ghada, 5.
Yes, miss.
5 also doesn't have a. Yes, it doesn't have. So go to 6 here, Ghada.
Instead of is, we'll write are.
Excellent, because it's what walks. The walks are. 7, Joanna. Jana.
Instead of is are.
Yes, we are in 8. Why? Or we are in 7. Yes, why?
Because the pants is,
Excellent, pants is plural. Excellent, yeah, Jana. Joanna, Jumana.
yes, miss.
Yes, Jumana, huh? 8.
Instead of is are.
Why?
Because the binoculars is always plural.
Excellent, excellent. Jude, 9.
Yes, miss. Is instead of are.
Excellent. Why?
Because we have nor.
Nor, and the closer to the verb is what? Pet.
Pet, yes.
Excellent. Kadra? Jumana? Jumana, did you answer now?
Yes, miss.
Okay, dear. Lena?
Yes, miss. Is it?
Yes.
We cancelled the S. Show.
Yes. Why here?
Statics is 1 unit.
Yes. No. Statistics here, if it's 1 unit, it will be shows. But here it's not used as 1 unit. It's used as statistics show a decreasing bird population in the Duluth area because it's papers. Yani statistics not as a subject. Yani no, the statistics I read, which can be written in papers.
Yes.
Okay, or I make, or but it's not as a subject. If it's a subject, it will be singular.
Okay.
Okay, dear. Layan Fadl, not here. Layan Maghrabi. 11. What?
No, it's show or shows after it.
Show. Because it's not a subject here. It's the statistics itself, themselves, yani. The surveys, the research. Layan Maghrabi?
Yes, miss. Many a committed birder and activist is needed.
Yes, why?
Because many
Excellent. Okay, 12. Lilian? Not here.
Yes,
Lina
miss.
Ammar? Lilian, you're here.
Yes.
Okay, why didn't you answer me first time?
Miss, I was in the bathroom, so I didn't
Okay.
know.
Okay, Lilian, 12 year Lilian.
There's no mistake.
In 12, there is no mistake. Excellent. So we turn the page. We go to the revision. Okay. We go to page 203. 203. Chapter review. Lina Ammar. Lina Ammar.
Yes, miss.
Number 1, Yelin.
Miss 203.
You mean 201?
What?
201?
You can solve it to correct the
No,
verb.
miss, which page?
Now we are in 203.
Miss, we don't have 203.
In
How?
our, it's 201.
The chapter review?
Yes.
Miss,
203 is the page of the next chapter.
How?
Teacher, the first question is at our food club meeting.
Yes, dear. This page is what?
201.
Okay, open 201.
At our food club meeting, Elena, Rob, and I discusses herbs.
Elena, Rob, and I
discuss.
Excellent, dear, because it's a plural combined by and. It's a mini noun combined by and. Okay, Lujain.
One of America's favorite herbs is parsley.
Why? Where is the subject?
1.
Excellent. Malak Wasim.
Yes, miss. It's I because chives.
Then closer to verb. Excellent, dear.
Yeah.
Najwa?
Thank you, miss.
Appears because of chervil, it's singular.
Excellent. Natalie?
It loves
Loves why? What is subject?
everybody.
Excellent, and it's always singular. Note. 6.
Miss, what's number 5?
Loves, because it's everybody. It's always singular. Note 6.
Thank you.
Welcome, dear.
Yes, miss.
Yes, quickly, ya Noor. 6. Ya note.
R.
Note or Noor now?
Not.
Note, R. 6 is R. Why? What is the closer to the verb?
French varieties.
Varieties only, yes, because French is proper adjective. Noor Bilal. Excellent, ya note.
Enjoys.
Why?
Because it comes as one.
Yes, club only. Excellent. Noor Yusuf, 8.
Has because nobody is the subject and it's all singular.
Excellent. Rima, 9. Rima, 9.
Miss, what's 4?
4 is appears because it's chervil is singular. Sarah, 9.
Yes, miss. It's as
Excellent. How come it's 3 spoons?
because it's treated as one unit.
Excellent, يا سارة. دانا شاهين. دانا وائل. Maya.
Yes, miss.
Yes, dear. We are in 10. Lemongrass or some other Thai herbs. So lemongrass is a subject and herbs is a subject. Which one is nearer to the verb?
R.
Lemongrass or herbs. Which one is nearer? Huh?
Yes.
Yes, because lemongrass is nearer to the verb.
Yes.
Okay, dear. Ragad?
Miss?
Yes, Rima. You, after Ragad, you answer.
Okay.
Ragad?
Yes, miss.
Yes, dear.
Of us, put lemongrass in soups.
Why? What is the subject?
Us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh? Subject is what?
Lemongrass.
No, dear. Subject before here. Before the
طيب.
verb. It's most.
Oh, yes.
And
yes.
most is always plural. Rima? Yes, excellent. 12.
Several of us are also one
Or
of them.
the verb here, the noun here is what? Several or us?
Several.
Excellent. Okay, now we start again. Buthaina.
Yes.
13.
Is it R?
Excellent. Why?
Because with is the verb.
Weed is the subject and leaves is the subject, and they are combined by and. Excellent, dear. Okay. 14. Dalia.
Yes, miss.
14. Many a.
Many a Greek salad or Turkish kebab contains.
Excellent, because many a is always singular. Dareen, 15.
Yes, miss. Every cook or would-be cook loves it.
Excellent. Every cook or would-be cook, because singular. Excellent. Durra, second exercise B. Fix the sentences.
Research on the subject of air quality at indoor skating risks have recently been conducted and the news are bad.
Yes.
It's
research, and then after research I find on I don't continue reading after I find the preposition. What is the subject? Huh?
The subject is research.
Excellent. So the verb will be have or has?
Has.
Has. Excellent. And then the news.
The news is bad.
Is, because it's always singular. Excellent, Yadur. Fatima? 2.
Yes, miss. Anybody on a hockey team or on other teams face possible risks. It doesn't have a mistake.
It is anybody. What is the subject? Anybody or team?
Anybody, I guess.
Anybody. And anybody is what? Always singular or always plural?
Plural.
Always singular, dear.
Okay.
So it takes faces. Okay. Ghada, 3.
Yes.
4, yeah, Ghada. Go to 4 because 3, no mistake.
Instead of have, has.
Why?
Because it's plural.
Instead of have, has. So how it will be plural?
Of the singular.
Yes, why? Because there is what?
Skater.
There is something else. Because I have hockey player and recreational skater. I have compound nouns. But before compound nouns, there is a...
Many.
Many, not only many. Many,
Miss?
Yes.
Number 2, it's faces, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, dear. Thank you, Ghada. 5, Jana?
Miss, can you repeat what you did in number 4, please?
Number 4, there is compound subject. I have the compound subject with hockey player, recreational skater. They are compound. Before it, there is many, so it is always singular. Jana?
Yes, miss. The subject is machines, and the verb should be have.
We are in which sentence, Jana? 5, right?
Yeah.
So, some and then of. After of, I do what? I find subject after of.
The machines.
I find subject in a prepositional phrase.
Oh, no.
So where is the subject?
There is no subject.
How, dear? There is no.
No.
So listen. Listen, dear. Before the prepositional phrase, there is a word. What is this word?
Yeah, some.
Some. So some is the subject. Some is always singular or always plural, or sometimes singular, sometimes plural.
Sometimes singular
and sometimes plural. Like here, some different pronoun may be either singular or plural depending upon their use in the sentence. So here I have some, and then I have machines.
Yes.
So some will be singular or plural? Up to machines.
Plural?
Yes, because machines is plural, so it will be have.
Yeah.
Thank you. Joanna?
Yes. 6.
Yes.
Often have.
Yes. Why? Where is the subject? Rings.
Yeah.
Rings. Okay. Then we go to 7. Jumana?
Yes, miss. That's correct.
No mistake in 7, actually. So go to 8, Jumana. Is excellent because it's neither, and the nearer to the verb is machine. Excellent. Number 9 will be, Jude, did you answer?
No, miss.
Yes, yalla Jude, 9.
$100,000 is.
Excellent, 1 unit, excellent. Lujain, 10.
Is it suggest?
Yes, because it's not used as a subject here, as laws or rules or researches, as we said we read. Okay?
Yes, miss.
So girls, here we answered everything. So there are no more answers to upload for you.
Miss,
Okay.
statistics here it suggests.
Suggest because it's not a subject. It's not a subject. Yani, I open the book and I find the answer. It suggests to me. No, it's like laws. Okay.
So suggest without
Suggest.
S.
Without S.
So miss, when we have a subject, we say
It
it's
is when it's statistics here is what? Statistics is the researches I make, surveys like you make in science, in math. So there are many. I made 3 statistics.
Yes.
Okay, but if I say I study statistics, statistics is my favorite subject because it's a whole.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So any question? So I upload only the vocabulary because we answered the grammar, all the grammar together. Okay.
Okay, miss, thank you.
See you on Sunday, the exam. If you have any question, I am available as you know. Okay.
Thank you.
Bye,
Miss.
guys. Bye.
Bye.
Have a nice weekend, guys.
Thank you.